Well, good morning to you and good morning to the SABC viewers. We are here at the historic Esandlwana site where, as you know, the 144 years ago, that decisive victory from the Zulu army was won here at this site where they were faced with the British army. You remember that this is one of the battles that were fought during the Anglo-Boer Wars, where these were the wars over land dispossession. Every year on this day, you know, the government of the province with the Zulu kingdom holds this commemoration along with the dignitaries from Britain who also descend to this very venue to remember, you know, the blood that was lost here on this day when the Zulu army was led by the then king of AmaZulu, Kampande. So we are waiting for the arrival of the premier of the province, Nomusa Dube-Ncube, also the AmaZulu Prime Minister, Mangosuthu Buthelezi, and also the king of AmaZulu, Misuzulu, Kazwelithini. As you've seen previously, you will see also the reenactment of that historic, you know, fight. But I have with me the King's Regiment who are led today by Inkosi Uhlatshwayo. We thank you very much for joining us, gentlemen. Indaba ezitha kancane nje lolu suku ngabe lisho kuthini kuZulu wonke jikelele.
Lolu suku kumaZulu lisho ingqophamlando yomlando wethu ngamaZulu sokunqoba amaNgisi eSandlwana. Lo suku oluhle kakhulu, olujabulisa kakhulu amaZulu nama-Afrika onke sijabulile ukunqoba amaNgisi ayizikhondla zezwe lonke eSandlwana.
Namhlanje kuleli sonto njalo kugujwa iminyaka 144 kusukela leyo mpi iyayiliwa ngaleyo langa. Mhlambe nibone ngathi uZulu wonke usahlonipha lolu suku ngendlela efanele ngabe lihlonishwa ngalo.
Yebo, uZulu usahlonipha ngalolu suku ngendlela ofanele kuhlonishwe ngakhona. Yebo, ngoba saqhubeka lapho kwakhuwa khona abazali bethu namakhosi amadala ayekade ekhona. Sahlonipha kakhulu. Sengathi nje singahloniphana omama nezingane kuphele abantu besilisa abahlukule abantu besifazane. Siphathane kahle sonke njengamanje.
Mhlawumbe yini enifisa ukuyizwa ngonyama mesikhuluma mhlawumbe amazwi enifisa ukweza ngonyama iwathinta namhlanje?
Amazwi sesiwafisa ukuthi njengamakhosi udaba lomhlaba, udaba lengonyama trust ukuthi ivikeleke ihlale ikhona. Sikwazi ukuthi siphile ngaphansi kwengonyama trust la kwaZulu.
Cool. This is Inkosi Uhlatshwayo, who's among, you know, the regiments or the King's regiments who are here today, saying that they want to hear the King today speaking about the Ngonyama Trust because they want to remember the Battle of Esandlwana was fought over land dispossession. So today they also want to hear what's going to happen to their land because they do not want to see their land being taken from them. Also saying that today is a huge day for the whole of Zulu nation because today they remember the blood that was lost in their name to protect the Zulu kingdom. I'll bring other King's regiments here, baba uzozisho nje igama nesibongo mase usitshela ukuthi mhlambe kuwena lolu suku ngabe lisho into engakanani.
Udenja Mfusi igama nginduna insizwa ngibonga uthola usuku lwamhlanje luhle kakhulu olusomqulu kithi njengamaZulu olusibusisayo enhluphweni engaka sahlushwa amakhehle ehlupho baba amabhunu kodwa ngalosuku bawehlula bawanqoba ngijabule ngifise nezingane zethu kwathi ngalilandela lo usiko lolu sikwazi ukubamba lapha esihamba khona uma sibuke kobaba salijabule lo usuku lolu.
Ngiyazi ukuthi igama elithi Esandlwana linomlando lisho into ethile ngoba igama elisho intaba thize. Mhlawumbe ungachazela abalaleli ukuthi leli gama elithi Esandlwana laqhamuka lisho ukuthini?
Igama elithi Esandlwana angutholanga ukuphela umlando walo kodwa ngalibuka manga linjengendlu lapho kwanqoba khona isizwe sakwaZulu. Ngithemba abadala nabadala babocha iyafana nendlu lentaba lento. Yebo.
Kuya phambili ufuna ukuthi lelo suku wenziwe njani ngoba ngiyabona la ngezwe kwakhulunywa ngokuthi kuzoba khona mhlawumbe isakhiwo sinike museum ukuze lelo suku leli lungapheli emqondweni yabantu. Ukuya phambili ufuna ukubona lo suku ligujwa kanjani?
Sifisa ukuthi umnyango usichasele ukuthi sibe nezindawo ezinhle la ezokwenza izakhiwo zesiZulu sikhona ukuqonda ukufunda okuningi la ngaphakathi kungabi nje kudevelop indawo yethu ibe phezulu kuba ingolukhulu usuku emlandweni wakwaZulu losuku namhlanje.
Cool. Well, Ubaba, they're just saying that again, this is a very huge day, a very important day for them. He was mentioning, you know, behind us there is a mountain. That's where the name of Esandlwana is derived from. That mountain that looks like the house. So that's the significance of the name of Esandlwana. There, Ubaba just telling us where the name came from. Also saying that they want to see, you know, this place being developed because they want to see a museum being built here. So that coming generation will know that this is the site where blood was lost. Earlier I made the mistake mentioning that this was the Anglo-Boer. In fact, it was the Anglo-Zulu wars that were fought here in the province over land dispossession. Baba sibonge kakhulu nawe isikhathi sakho usiphe nje igama nesibongo. Mase sichazela ukuthi mawubheka einganeni ezikhulayo manje zisalazi ukubaleka kwalolu suku la namhlanje.
Usipho umhlongo induna ebukhosini baMpungosi. Usuku lwanamhlanje luyingqophamlando esizweni sonke samaZulu ngoba silapha nje usukubekile imsakazo wathi sizogubha 144 years kwalimpi yamaNgisi noZulu. Kumsebenzi wethu futhi ukuthi lolu usuku lwanamhlanje silwenze libaluleke entsheni einganeni zethu, sifundise, sikhulise, size nazo ke la zizobona la sizogagazisana lapha namaNgisi senze yonke into yayenziwa obaba omkhulu bethu belola lelizwe. Siyafisa futhi ukuthi uhulumeni alwenze lolu suku lwanamhlanje kube usuku oluyiholiday ngoba luyingqophamlando ezizweni samaZulu. Singagcini nje ngokuzocelebrate sigubhe sikhulume ngalo kodwa ke kube neholiday lokuthi iholiday nje ngoba lolu suku lukhulu kakhulu uZulu wanqoba amaNgisi Esandlwana nansi intaba impi ayibambene kuyo. Ngakho ke siyafisa ukuthi sikwenze ngokukhuluma sikwenze nangokwenza kodwa nohulumeni kusomqulu wezwe kube usuku ozoba iholiday lolu sokukhuluma nathi njengabadideli bamabutho njengeinduna sicela ukuthi ake kube iholiday. uZulu wanqoba lesizwe sidume ngisho all over the world pressure kwelwandle makukhuluma ngoZulu kuyazi ukuthi uZulu wanqoba amaNgisi.
Yeza njoba uZulu usiwanqoba amaNgisi kodwa kubalekile manje sekukhona ulimo osetshenziswayo lokubuyisana. Mhlawumbe ubone ngathi lokubuyisana kukhona kuyenzeka uyakubona nawe njengebutho uma uhamba la nihamba khona niphelezela ubayede.
Usuku ukubuyisana kuqala lapha namhlanje. Yabona ngoba sila izolo besine meeting sinawo amaNgisi ahanjela okhokho bawo sahamba sayothandaza lapha ya emadlinzeni okhokho bethu nokhokho babelungu sabuyisana saxoxa ngalolu suku. Lokho esokwenza nje emva lokuhlala phansi siphuziti yesixoxo ukuthi azabuza amaNgisi athi hawu ngoba uphethe umkhonto njena kwakwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ninqobe thina siphethe isibhamu. Sithi ke thina hayi sasifika qathatha futhi ke thina sinentelezi njengesizwe samaZulu. Intelezi iyasebenza kulezi ikhathi zezimpi nje siyayisebenzisa. Sibuyisene namaNgisi sizokwenza okuningi futhi izolo besiseshiyane lapha sinqoba khona amaNgisi entabeni yaseshiyane besinawo amaNgisi sibuyisana sixoxa kumlando omuhle awusenalo uhlevane mawukhuluma ngalo.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sibonga kakhulu.
Well, there you have it. They're saying that today is also a day of reconciliation because although on that day, you know, each side was fighting for what they believe is right, but today is not about that. Today is to remember that is the past. Going forward, they need to stick together as brothers and work together, saying that yesterday they did have a prayer together with others who were representing the British at a site where they were reminding each other that today they are forgetting about all the tensions that were there, but they're going forward, they want to be together. Also saying that today is very important for the young ones because he's saying that they did come with their young ones here so that they can see and remember this day going forward so that it doesn't, you know, disappear in history. Baba sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho nawe nje usiphe igama nesibonga mase uyasichazela ukuthi wena lolu suku ngabe lisho into engakanani kuwena nomndeni wakho noZulu nje uphelele.
Angibonge mfowethu. Ngumuzi ngunyandeni Sibongo lapha endaweni yeNgonyama kwaNongoma. Ngingumkhulumeleki wamabutho eNgonyama. Angiqale ngokuthi la sisendaweni engcwele la. Sisendaweni lapha uZulu athatha khona amandla emangisini la. Sisendaweni la okhokho bethu balwa khona la banqoba amaNgisi. Sekumlando ukuthi le ndawo esikuyo inomlando omuhle nomkhulu kangaka ohlonishwayo nangapha emazweni angaphandle. Kodwa ke okubalekile mhlawumbe umuntu angakusho angagcizelela lelele ukuthi besingakuthokozela ukuba le ndawo esikuyo njengoba inomlando ongaka oqala ayithuthukiswe. Njengoba sibona nje lokhu kwambiwa lapha sikubona ukuthi kuqhubeka phi lokhu kuzayo. Siyadinga ukubona le ndawo ithuthukiswe ikhombisa ukuthi kuhlonishwa okhokho bethu abalala la belwela lelizwe. Okwesibili siyadinga ukuthi kule ndawo le njengoba injena nje iyalala amaqhawe la kubonakala phela nalapha khona ukuthi nakho lapho khona amaqhawe kodwa kungaveli nje kube indawo nje ebiyeleyo kwasekubanjeni kodwa ingabikho into lokho kwenza ukuthi makhona umuntu oqhamukayo ongazi ngale ndawo efika la ayikho into ayibonayo ukuthi kunamaliba lapha ngaphandle ukuthi kuyoze ukuthi mase kulungiswe kahle ke bese bona ukuthi khona amaliba lapha akubonakala egqama ukuthi kunamaliba okwesithathu le ndawo le amaNgisi ayenkanisile lapha nempi isukondini yafika na yankanisa lapha basebehlangana ngaphambi kokuba asiwabona amaNgisi ekanisile kuze kuzofika lapha ehlangana khona impi kodwa kungaveli nje kube lokhuza ayenziwe lento yenzisiswe ukuze abantu baqonde ukuthi yini lokukhulunywa ngayo zenziwe izifundo zokuthi kwakwenzakalani lapha kodwa kungagcini nje kufana nomdlalo nje ozodlalwa la egcineni bese kuyaphela njalo.
Uma ngikuzwa kahle baba uculusekile ngendlela izinto ezihamba ngayo uma kukhulunywa ngale ndawo mhlambe senike naba nezingxoxo mhlambe neziphathimandla ukuthi le ndawo ithuthukise zithini impendulo enithola mina nikhuluma nayo.
Uma ngabe mntaka baba uzobheka nje lapha ikhona iziza embiweyo lapha sekunesikhathi nokho kusekhona ingonyama ebuzile umdlokombane kwahlatshwa amasoyi lapha kuthiwa isoyi lapha kuthiwa kuzokwenziwa ekuthuthukisa le ndawo kodwa namanje kusenjeni akekho umuntu ngempela oninqazele ephelele ukuthi kwenzakalani ngale ndawo ukuze kwazi le ndawo ithuthukise ingahlali lokho injena nje.
Sawakakhulu baba.
Siyabonga.
Well, there you have it there, Baba Unyandeni, raising a very important point. They're saying that it seems that, this place is not being developed the way that it should be, saying that there have been many returnings here showing that they want to build a museum or sort of a site of remembrance, but saying that it seems that nothing is happening. Those short turnings happen, but then the government dignitaries do not return to this place, saying that they also want to see the history of this place being taught at school to young ones, being made a subject so that coming generations will always, remember what happened here, because there are grave sites here. Coming in, we did see a fenced area where those regiments who lost their lives here were buried. So it's sort of a fenced area. It doesn't show really that, much money is being spent on this place. But as you heard, that they've made attempts to speak with government to try and encourage them, to come to this place and develop it. But it seems that, there's really nothing much being done from the government side.